This drink is called a Viscous Robert. It's made with Southern Comfort, bitters, and a lemon twist. Very easy drink to make. We're going to start off with a highball glass with ice. Now, when you're pouring liquors over ice, people ask, is it okay to put your liquor in the freezer or in the fridge, keep it cooler? This doesn't change the taste of the liquors in any way, but keeping it cold, and when you pour it over ice, it won't melt the ice as quickly. Therefore, you will not dilute the ice and dilute the drink. So we're going to start off with an ounce of Southern Comfort. And we'll use our jigger here, the 1 ounce side. Jigger is a handy tool to have around when you're mixing drinks. We're going to add a dash of bitters, which you can pick up at the supermarket or liquor store. Just like that. We're going to add a lemon twist. Now, you just take any lemon. There's some zesting tools you can buy, which makes it easier. You can use a knife. Just peel off a piece of the lemon rind, and you're going to twist it over the glass. Get that lemon juice in there. I like to rim it around the glass as well. Drop that in. We'll take a straw here, and we'll mix our ingredients up. Let me show you that real close. There you go. Not very complicated drink, a very potent drink, but I'm sure a very tasty drink. Enjoy.